Today, this Ford EcoSport car has come to our garage for a complete Graphenizer treatment. Let's give this engine the care it truly deserves. Over time, carbon builds up inside the engine and affects performance. Graphenizer 1 helps clean injectors and combustion chambers, bringing back smoother pickup and response. Just pour Graphenizer 3 directly into the fuel tank. It helps improve combustion, supports better mileage, and gives a smoother driving experience. To finish the treatment, we use Graphenizer Carbon Flush. It helps remove carbon and soot deposits from the exhaust system, improving exhaust flow and reducing black smoke.